Welcome to the video. In this video I'd like to very quickly show you this product here. This is a little power distribution board that has both linear regulated 12 and 5 volts out. That's perfect if you're building a little quad and want to keep the footprint nice and small. Now we do occasionally get products in here that we really rave over, and this is one of them. It's quite a new thing, actually made by a lovely gentleman called Greg. You can get them at MenaceRC.co.uk. They're dead cheap, they're less than £6, but the way they work is quite neat. Now there are lots of these little small boards, but I love the fact it's made and designed by a chap here in the UK, and I'm buying it locally rather than from the Far East. So the way it works is it's a standard size board. So this is a MenaceRC32. MenaceRC32 with standoffs would fit just above it, and it provides a really small package if you're building a little quad. You can pop the XT60 on the side. It doesn't come soldered on. I've soldered it onto the bottom here. You can solder it vertically like this, you can solder it horizontally, or with a little bit of wire you can have a flying lead for how you want to set it up. The way it works is that it has positive and negative in the corner for the ESC connections for the quad. It has a V battery connection here, positive and negative, so you can run wires up to something like your MenaceRC32 for your V-back connection. It has a regulated plus 5 volts and ground out here at the side too, so if you have a camera that you want to run plus 5 volts from the power distribution board, you can. The last little trick it has up its sleeve is we have connections on both sides for your camera and video transmitter. Now here the way it works is this is the video outside, or the positive and negative on both sides is actually 12 volts. So you can plug your video transmitter directly into this, and you can solder your camera on the other side if it's 12 volts, or if it's 5 volts you can run the 5 volt camera bit by soldering it onto this bit over here, and the video bits, which have got the V by the side, is just a track through the middle. So it makes that part of wiring up the quadcopter really straightforward and simple too. The way it comes in the pack when you get it is you get the board, and you also get the XT60 connector. I believe Paul's just started shipping these with also the nylon standoffs that you need to go either under the board to make sure that these contacts aren't touching carbon fibre if that's the frame you're using, and also the little standoffs to actually mount this as well. So I just want to give a very big shout out to MenaceRC. Thank you, Paul, for supplying these for us. We love them and we are fans. So if you want to go and have a look, I'll put a link in the description, but these are definitely worthwhile looking for if you're going to build a little quad and you're looking for a really nice, neat solution and want to buy locally here in the UK. Thank you for taking the time to watch that video. There are lots of other videos on the channel, and they're carefully ordered into playlists, so you may find that there are other videos on this same subject that you can go and watch. So I would recommend going into the playlist area of Painless360 YouTube channel and looking around and seeing what there is. You never know what you might find. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and happy flying.